if you can share some experience about the labs, how you have done the labs, and how was your experience? Whether the lab which we have covered in the training that is sufficient, or we should add something extra which can help participants in learning more about Python or automation. Yeah, hi once again. Very good morning, SaiCharan. How are you doing today?
Hey Nitish, I'm doing good. Thank you.
Okay, all right. So, SaiCharan, we are here to discuss your experience with us in CCNA DEVNET training, which you have recently completed. But before we jump into that part, it would be really great if you can tell us more about you and how you came to know about PyNet Labs.
Sure.
Yeah.
So my name is SaiCharan Teja. I'm into network security and network operations. I have 8 years experience. I have quite a good experience of CCNP certified. I am PCNSA certified. So I was just looking to get started into automation because I always was interested in automation but did not know where to start. So as everything is moving into cloud and
Mhm.
automation side, so I wanted to get myself started into it. So then I did a lot of research. I checked a lot of websites to see what's the best course available. But the reason I chose PyNet Labs is because the way you was a point of contact for me, right? So and
Correct.
I really like the way you assured me what the program structure is going to be and all that. So I think that's what made my decision easy. A lot of people think a price is a bit on a higher side, but I would I loved my experience. Even though the price was on the higher side, I felt every penny of my money worth, because everything was clearly explained. There's a live support, and yeah, it was a great experience.
That's really good, and thanks for sharing your feedback with us. It would really help others, and as well as it will motivate trainer as well to share more content which will be useful for other upcoming participants. Yeah. So thanks a lot for the same. It would be really great if you can share some experience about the labs, how you have done the labs, and how was your experience? Whether the lab which we have covered in the training that is sufficient, or we should add something extra which can help participants in learning more about Python or automation.
So I think the lab structure that you guys have is pretty solid. Again, when they go for the training to set up the labs, but the important thing as part of the training is to not overdo anything. So the reason I say that is because even the labs in the PyNet during my training were not too much, because people like who are new to automation, they just want to get the concepts right. And if you stack too many labs, it kind of freaks them out. And I don't think that's the right approach, because it's a starting program, right? Maybe a senior level will have
Correct.
much more labs, but now we need to know what exactly is automation. And even Chirag, the way, again, the design of the curriculum is very important, and I think the reason why you get so many enrollments is because of the design of the curriculum. The curriculum is so well designed, has good theory and basic labs, and the lab difficulty goes just right as exponentially like that whenever the course goes high. So I think you got that from me, and I think that's what helped me also. Because I have a lot of programming. I've done my C programming. Back when I was in doing my +1 +2s, I was really interested. But again, I was more passionate towards network side, so I moved into them. But now coming back to the programming, I don't want to just jump into labs, right? You just need to understand what is it. And even the first class, from the first class where we explain what is software defined networking, all the way to doing it yourself, everything is clearly paced. And I don't think there should be any changes personally, because everything is very well done. So that's my honest opinion.
Perfect, perfect. Thanks a lot again, once again, for your views on it. And I hope this training which you have learned is going to help you a lot in your career, because it's, as you mentioned in the starting time, like it is like automation and cloud are the two technology which are going to be the future. So definitely it will help you. So all the very best ahead for your career. Yeah. Thank you once again. Thanks a lot for your time. Yeah.